Perfect.
What's up, YouTube? You're probably wondering what's going on with the Harley Quinn look that I got going on. I'll explain that in another video, but for today, or for tonight, I'm just gonna do a quick spark plug change, running step colder plugs, the BKR8EIX, in case you guys need to see that, or I guess it don't want to focus, whatever. And I'm doing this because, you know, as regular maintenance or tune-up, as I say, it's good to replace them because they tend to wear out after so many miles. And recently I've just experienced misfiring under heavy load. I probably explained it a little bit in one of my POV videos before. And I'm doing a quick ignition coil, so let's get to it. Just a little quick pet peeve, but if any of you guys have ever bought anything from Harbor Freight, you guys know how annoying it is to take these little security mechanism that they have holding these things in place. Goodness gracious, it's the worst. Not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah, these are the old plugs. Not sure if you can see that gap, and these are the new plugs. When in doubt, you don't have a knife? Use a key. Alright, so here we are. New plugs are in, new ignition coils. Let's take it out for a little spin. First, let's warm her up a little bit. This is just gonna be just like the last video. Alright, she's all warmed up now. Stretch her out a little bit.